Hello, FBI guy, since you're currently the only one probably watching this. Today we have another opening video. I just got back from the mall, got this fancy new Pokeball mug. Can't wait to wash that out and get a sip of coffee out of that. Now today, we'll be opening the Trainer's Toolkit. Everything you need to build a powerful deck. Become the very best like no one ever was. This includes more than 50 useful cards up to power up your decks. Includes dozens of trainer cards and 6 special energy cards. And 2 copies of Lumineon V. Ooh. And 4 Pokemon TCG booster packs, 65 card sleeves. And some other cool stuff that I don't feel like reading off. Let's crack this open. Wasn't originally planning on doing a video today, actually. Just happened to come across this for a reasonable price. And inside we got some fancy stuff. Kind of like these. These are pretty nice. A couple coins, the damage markers. Slowly but surely becoming a professional Pokemon trainer. These are going to be our packs we open. The Trainer's Toolkit, Deck Builder's Guide. And then guys can fight for that. I kind of really like these sleeves, actually. This was a good buy. Oh, must be our Lumineon V and our energy cards. Again, I am recording this off of my phone, so please forgive me for... There we go. There goes Lola making an appearance. You can hear her in the background meowing. I just picked up Shining Pearl. I believe that's one of them. I believe that's the one I got on the, what is it, Dialga? Alright, so this I believe is just a stack of energy cards. Just want to confirm. Now, I don't know if these, this pack here, I guess it's just a deck. Little pre-built. I don't know if they're all the same. Probably, I'd venture to say so. I'll give it an open, go through it. Oh, yeah. Just loads of energies. Energy. Let's play Guess the Energy. Alright, enough of that. Enough fooling around. Now we got yeah, so it's been a couple weeks since I put my last post, the Book of Wobbuffet. Been busy working. Had a couple bucks left over, decided to head over to the mall, get myself something. So, 2 Lumineon V's. Okay, these must be the item and trainer cards. You must play 2 cross switcher cards at once. This effect works one time. Ooh. That's weird. Huh. Stuff for the new choice belt. Double turbo energy. My favorite gym leader from the Galar region. I just did a playthrough. I actually just got the DLC for it. Currently on that. Old reliable escape rope. Alright, that does it for that. Now, we'll save this pack for last. Maybe I'll get a good pull. Seems like that's the YouTube thing to do. Everybody's like a savage, but foil, my one weakness. Alright. Poochiana. Lamiao. Yama. Swinnub. Nicket. Ooh, reverse hollow Rapidash. That's cool. A Regigigas. I don't know if that's any. I mean, probably a good card. I know he's a legendary. I just had him in my Sword and Shield team. Hey, Lola. Redeem your rewards. The fruits of my labor. Ooh, Grimer. Like I mentioned before, I'm very much a Gen 1er. Good bite. Nice. Seems like Lola's looking to crash the party here. Psyduck, one of my favorites. On my way to building my dragon deck. I do have the, I did buy the starter deck a couple years back. Now we're on the last pack. There's a video on Anthony C's YouTube channel featuring me using said dragon deck. Although I didn't use it very good. A Lilligant V, nice. Hisuian Lilligant V. Very nice. And that will conclude today's episode. Thank you for coming to watch Team Rocket Ron. Everyone have a great day.